Hello and welcome to our latest breaking news. Bafana Bafana goalkeeper Ricardo Goss has hit back at critics following Bafana Bafana's defeat to Mexico in a 2026 FIFA World Cup opener, saying he didn't expect it from people that have been in the game. Bafana Bafana lost 2-0 to the co-host, finishing the game with 9 men after receiving 2 red cards. Early in the second half, Spepelo Stole, and later in the game for experienced Thembazwane. Coach Hugo Broos and his men received backlash for the team's conservative approach against L3. Bafana Bafana, who are bottom of Group A, face Czechia on Thursday, the 18th of June in Atlanta in their attempt to get back into the tournament and try to qualify for the second round of the competition. Goss spoke to the media in Pachuca in an interview, and the keeper expressed his disappointment while adding that Bafana can draw inspiration from the 2023 African Cup of Nations campaign for the World Cup. Here is what Ricardo Goss said. "It's just disappointing that people that have actually been in the game, the comment they give, it's disappointing in a way. And for some, it's people that you played with. You don't expect people that you were with to speak like so much negative stuff. But yeah, look, I think it's everyone's dream to play the World Cup. So I think maybe they also wanted to be here in a way. But we are a severe positive bunch. I think you guys have seen that. We've been with some ups, and I keep going back to Ivory Coast AFCON that we lost the first game 2-0 and went to get the bronze medal. So I think it's something we can draw from. It's something we can go back to and look at it. What we did after we lost 2-0 against Mali. I think we can implement it into this World Cup. Obviously, it's 2 different tournaments as well, and the quality is not the same quality. But if we can get that mentality that we had going into Namibia game, or is it Tunisia? I'm not sure who we played before. I think we can get out of the group." So let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of Ricardo Goss' comments regarding the negativity that Bafana Bafana has been getting, especially from legends and some players that they played with? Do you think that people were too harsh on Bafana Bafana? Let me hear your thoughts down below in the comment section. That's the end of the news for today. See you next time.